Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to start by going into Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, in order to add one of those files, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. Let's start with an audio one. In order to attach it, click on Files section. Tap on Audio filter at the top, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, you need to hold it. And then click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. To add a video one, you need to click on Gallery instead. Pick your video over here. Or select Gallery section and click on it over here. This time though, select Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery, select Folders at the top left corner, and look for your video the same way as an audio file. Then hold it and tap on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!